Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best kitchen gadgets to elevate your culinary experience. Today, we're focusing on a product that has quickly become a staple for coffee lovers everywhere: the EurKitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. This device is not just a tool. It's the best cream dispenser for coffee enthusiasts who want to bring their beverages to the next level. Let's take a closer look at what makes this whipped cream dispenser so exceptional. First off, it's designed with professional-grade quality in mind. Made from durable aluminum, it has a sleek black satin finish that not only looks great on your kitchen counter but also promises longevity. This isn't just about aesthetics. The reinforced threads and heavy-duty construction mean that this dispenser is built to withstand daily use, perfect for both home chefs and cafe owners alike. Using the EurKitchen whipped cream dispenser is straightforward and intuitive. Just fill it up with your favorite cream, screw on the lid, and insert your N2O charger. While the chargers are sold separately, they're compatible with all brands of 8-gram nitrous oxide chargers. This means you can create delicious, fluffy whipped cream in no time, and the best part is that you can customize it to your taste. Whether you prefer classic vanilla, rich chocolate, or even a hint of coffee flavor, the possibilities are endless. Imagine this: a fresh cup of coffee, topped with a generous swirl of homemade whipped cream, crafted in mere seconds. It's a game-changer for your morning routine or any coffee break during the day. And if you're looking to impress your guests, it's a fantastic way to elevate desserts as well. Picture serving up ice cream sundaes or decadent chocolate mousses, all garnished with beautifully piped whipped cream. Definitely a treat for the eyes and the taste buds. Now, let's talk about cleaning. One of the highlights of this dispenser is how easy it is to maintain. After using it, simply rinse out the canister, and use the included cleaning brush for the intricate decorating tips and dispenser head. The thoughtful design even includes a mesh storage bag for keeping everything organized. You won't have to worry about it taking up too much space in your kitchen either. The EurKitchen dispenser comes with 3 different decorating nozzles, allowing you to unleash your inner pastry chef. From intricate swirls to classic dollops, you can create professional-looking presentations in your own kitchen. It's all about creativity and making your food look as good as it tastes. In conclusion, if you're a coffee lover looking to enhance your beverages, or someone who enjoys crafting desserts that are both beautiful and delicious, the EurKitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser is a must-have. With its durability, ease of use, and professional finish, it stands out as a top choice in the market. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth reviews of kitchen gadgets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating and enjoying delicious treats in your kitchen.